Hello, my beautiful friends. This is going to be a quickie. I am going to do a bloom with nothing but interferences with a little tiny bit of black underneath them. I cannot wait to show you what this comes out like. It is absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So I'm going to jump right in. This is my white house paint, thinned with a little bit of water. All mixing directions and products are listed below in the description, along with links to all my social media, Facebook group. I'm doing a Q&A video if you have specific questions you want to ask me regarding this technique. Any other acrylic pouring technique that does not include a bloom, YouTube channel, anything like that you want to ask, you can email me that question at ARTBYTAMMY@yahoo.com. That's also in the description. And I will answer you in the upcoming video I'm going to do. So now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to start layering my paints. The first thing I'm going to put on is a little bit of black right in the center. So black is void of color, right? So basically we're not using any color except for the interference micas from Colourarte, the Bling It interference mica pigments. So that's the black. Now here comes a little bit of the red interference. I'm going to put her right in the center, like so. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to place each interference on a little area of that black so they all have their moment to shine. Here is the gold. I think you're going to find this is an absolutely beautiful thing to do. There's the gold. Now, granted, some will land on top of each other, especially since we have to blow it, but I'm just kind of trying to aim in some areas that don't have the previous color on it. Yeah, I mean, you could pile them right on top of each other. They're all going to shine beautifully. If you're interested in these or any other Colourarte product, I have a code for 20% off, no minimum order required. And that is in the description also. So that was the green interference. Here is the blue. Also, I coat all of my paintings in resin. And the resin that I use and love is KS resin. It has a 45+ minute working time. This is the violet. I get way over an hour out of it. Very high heat resistance. I believe it's 475 or 500. It's one of those. So great heat resistance. Has non-yellowing properties to it. Is extremely inexpensive, $70 for a gallon. And in the United States, they offer free shipping. So you can't beat it. And it's great quality. I could show you right here is one that is finished that I absolutely love. And I'm sure all you saw was a ring light there. But okay, so we have our color down. Now I'm going to put, that first black was mixed with Vivid Enamel and Polycrylic. This black is mixed with American Floetrol. The only color that you're putting the Floetrol in is the last color you're going to use to create your blooms. You're retaining it or containing it for the color that you want to have your lacing appear as. So because I want black lacing, I'm going to put the Floetrol in black. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to give a good blow to it. Okay, I'm going to get my turkey baster here, blow in the center a little bit. To help create some more cells. And I'm going to wait a second for the colors to come back to the top. Now, you guys may not be seeing color yet, but wait until I show you this after I stretch it. And I did another one so I could show you actually 2 of them. So you don't want to tilt right away because you don't want those, where you blew in the center there, it's stuck to the canvas. It has to release and come back up so that when you tilt, the paint doesn't roll over on itself. Okay? So we have a pretty little bloom here. I'm not liking this center, this area right here. Try to move it around and create something else there. I have quite the mess to clean today. All right, so now I'm going to start slowly tilting. I'm going to go this way first. And then I'm going to come back down this way. And let's get a little bit of that off of there. And I think I'm going to go and tilt this off because I'm really not liking that center. Okay. And we're going to leave it at that. So, I don't know if you can see, but let me bring you down. I just have to tilt one more little area here because I get a little drip. Okay. Much better. Sorry if I'm off camera here. I have an animal, maybe a snake in here that is looking at me. I'll have to show you it on the close-up. So any big air bubble you find, you gotta give it a pop-a-roo. Okay, so let me bring you guys in. I'll give you a view with the lights on. I am working on fixing my lighting, just so you know. So here's my little alligator friend. See him? All right, and this is the one that I did earlier. And I'm going to show you these with the light off because they are bananas with the lights off. Pretty, right? All right, wait for this now. So here we go. Ta-da! Aren't they beautiful? Aren't they beautiful? Absolutely gorgeous. And here is the second one. Lots of green in this one. Pinks and violets. I just love how magical they are. So that is my friend. That is my video today, my friends. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a quick one. And check out the links below for all the information you need. And my Etsy shop is also there. If you see a painting that you like, typically it won't be in there yet unless you watch this video days after I release it. But you can always email me if it's not in my Etsy shop at ARTBYTAMMY@yahoo.com. Both of these pieces will be available once they're resin. So, yeah, I hope you guys all have a great day and happy pouring.